I started on the 17th of March 2003 and I started as a payroll and HR administrator, but I was mainly doing payroll at that point in time. I really enjoy my role. It's different every day. I'm always building on my experience because I deal with every scenario is different basically, so you have to sort of learn as you go along really. It gave me a good insight into how the business ran as a whole, which was really useful from when I first started. I'd say my confidence has grown as a result. Over the time it's been attention to detail and using various different systems, learning how different people operate, and confidence really. Sandicliffe's a family-run business. We're based at Loughborough and a lot of the family members are based at the Loughborough site. Everyone's really friendly and happy to help each other. We've got quite a small HR team. That's good because everyone's really close and we get involved with all aspects of the business and all areas of the business. We also enjoy social time together as well. When I did my HR management degree, because I thought it'd be great timing to have a baby at the same time and work full time and do a degree, but it worked. I really enjoy resolving queries for people, for the managers and the employees. I enjoy communicating with people. I've more recently become involved with the training and we're rolling out a management training programme. I enjoy doing really positive things for the company and looking at the way we can support the people in the business. I think the fact it's still a family-owned business is nice because you get to see the family. We're constantly striving for improvements and the people at Sandicliffe make it a great place to work.